These car crashing videos are pulling in millions of views right now. This YouTube channel has got 4 million subscribers, and its most popular videos have reached over 200 million views. If we check the channel's profile on Social Blade, we can see that its estimated monthly earnings are between $3,000 and $10,000. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete workflow for creating these videos for free using AI. To get started, go to the description and open the linked document. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and it will generate 10 video ideas for you. You can also ask it to generate more ideas if you'd like. For this tutorial, I'll be choosing idea number 4. ChatGPT will generate the image prompt for the first clip, along with the video prompts for the following clips. Now, head over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, click on Image and use these settings. Paste the image prompt and click Generate. Google Flow will create an image for you. Once the image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to Google Flow, click on the image, then select Animate. Choose Video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select the Omni Flash model, paste the prompt, and click Generate. This will generate an 8-second video for you. After the video is generated, open it and move to the last frame. Click Save Frame to save it. We'll use this saved frame as the starting image for generating the next video. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next video prompt, return to Google Flow, click Animate, paste the prompt, and generate the next video. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Open the video, save the last frame, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next video prompt, and generate the next clip using the saved frame. Once all the videos are generated, download them and import them into your favorite video editor. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. Arrange all the clips in order, export the final video, and here's the final result. If you learned something new, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel, and I will see you next time.